Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on port scanning methods. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know. Bug bounty hunters earn thousands using these techniques. Industry standards and compliance requirements. Let's look at some real-world examples and case studies. Resources for continued learning and skill development. Best practices for implementing port scanning methods in production. Understanding the core concepts is crucial. Advanced techniques that separate beginners from experts. Let's start with the fundamentals of port scanning methods. Legal and ethical considerations you must understand. Integration with other security tools and frameworks. Let me demonstrate the actual commands and techniques. Performance optimization tips for port scanning methods. Community support and where to get help. Security professionals use these methods in real-world scenarios. Career opportunities and certifications related to port scanning methods. Now, let's explore the practical applications. To summarize what we've covered about port scanning methods, you now have the knowledge to implement this effectively. Practice these techniques in a safe, legal environment. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Check out our other network_scanning tutorials. Leave comments with your questions and experiences. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.